How to print text messages from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Once you're here, take a screenshot of this conversation. After that, go back and open up the Photos application. You will find the screenshot you just took over here. Open the screenshot and tap on the share icon at the bottom left corner. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Print. You can now choose the printer, how many copies you need, and the paper size from here. Once you're done, tap on Print at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily print text messages from iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.